There is nothing quite like perfect rice, and I'm gonna show you how to make it foolproof. Cooking rice perfectly requires just a couple of things. You want a gentle, consistent heat, and you want the ideal amount of moisture. And those things can be difficult to achieve in an everyday pan. This is where the Le Creuset rice pot becomes your new best friend. It's been designed to cook foolproof rice every day at any meal, no matter who's making it. I wanna show you how easy this is, so we're gonna make a pot of jasmine rice. Into the pot, 1 cup of rinsed rice, 1 1/4 cups of water, and a huge pinch of salt. Many varieties of rice and grains require different amounts of water and have slightly different cooking times, so just refer to the packaging. We're gonna bring this to a boil over high heat. That's gonna take anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. In the meantime, let's take a closer look at this pot. First of all, it's got that awesome Le Creuset cast iron, but it also has a special curved bottom and a deep body. And those things together apply uniform heat and moisture to every single grain of rice. Next, and this is probably my favorite component of the entire thing, the inner stoneware lid. And it's not just because it insulates the entire thing, but these cute little holes, they prevent that foamy boil over you get in a regular pan. Don't be ashamed, we've all been there. Once the water's boiling, you're gonna stir it once, top it with the inner lid, followed by the outer lid. Then you're gonna reduce the heat to low and you're gonna cook it for 10 minutes. After that, just cut the heat and your work is done. You're gonna let this stand for 10 minutes, and in that time, the Le Creuset rice pot is gonna work its magic. Are you ready for this? All it needs is a gentle fluff, and you are ready to serve perfect rice. But best of all, is this mighty little pot is ideal for all types of rice and grains. This little beauty is for every day, for everyone, and for almost every menu. But for me, this rice is so delicious, it's perfect on its own.